be honest, in the post-pandemic world, amid global inflation, traveling isn't cheap. And to make things worse, the upcoming winter season is kicking the travel bug inside us. But wait, what if we tell you that with a little more planning, you can save more while traveling? Yes, hear us out. We have some smart price-cutting hacks for you which can make a huge difference in your overall budget. Keep watching to know. This you may already know, but we are here repeating it for you. If you are planning to travel in December or January, book your flights and hotels now for cheaper prices. We also suggest that you don't let the winter wanderlust take over and plan your trip to your favorite destination in the off-season. From plane tickets to hotel rooms, everything will be cheaper. You should know that you are going wrong when you overpack for just a few days of traveling. Packing light saves your check-in bag fee and much more. It allows you to get around a lot easier and be more agile. With a light suitcase or backpack, you can easily travel in public transport rather than traveling by a cab and paying for it. Eating at a restaurant or eatery at popular travel destinations is always pricey. And unless you're ready to shell out money for that, it's wise to pack some food from home. Go for protein-heavy snacks like protein bars, which can make you feel full and not take up too much space in your luggage. We are not discouraging you from experiencing the local cuisine, but with a tight budget, this can surely be helpful. If you are traveling in a large group, renting an apartment rather than staying at a hotel is significantly cheaper. If the stay is shorter or you have a smaller group, try to find hostels in the area. Boarding at a hostel can be a fraction of the cost of a hotel room and can help you utilize your budget somewhere else. Tourist-heavy locations always tend to be overpriced, so go for less popular attractions and make the most of your trip with local experiences. They can also make for good snaps for your Instagram. Alright, so now you know how to travel wisely this winter season rather than spending on things which are not worth it. Do let us know in the comments which destination you are traveling to next and keep watching SHOWSHA for more travel tips.